What's up, motherfuckers? I'm back, and in this video, I'm here to eat some pizza for you beautiful fucking bastards. I got it from Domino's, you know. Wonder if it'll show it on the camera. Probably not. I'm gonna get a fucking piece of this shit. This shit looks good as fuck. Boom, look at this shit. Cheese pizza, because you know, cheese pizza is the fucking best, and if you disagree, you're wrong. I'm a fucking retard. Get away, fucking fly. God damn it, god damn it, god damn it. That's not good. I don't want to fly on my damn pizza. Whew. That was close, but anyway. This pizza's good as fuck, Domino's. You guys did a great job this time. I fuck with it. I just had a stroke, sorry. I haven't had Domino's in a while, probably like a month or two. This shit's so fucking good. I really fuck with it. Cheese pizza is the best pizza. Fact, bro. Only thing better than that would be like with cheese pizza with pineapple and grapes. That's fucking good too. Am I being serious? You decide. But yeah. I feel like if your pizza needs just like 5 or 6 toppings just for you to like it, it's not really good pizza. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. You may disagree. But what you can't disagree on is that this pizza is good as fuck. I love it. It's good. I'm gonna eat another slice once I turn this video off. But yeah, I eat the crust too. You might notice I eat the entire slice. If you don't eat the crust on pizza, you're a fucking pussy. You're a big pussy. You might comment you're not really sitting upright. You gotta have good posture. I don't give a fuck. Which I probably should though, because it's bad. But anyway, that's gonna be this whole video. Boo bye. I gotta go clean my phone because I'm about to touch it with these greasy ass hands. Anyway, bye bye.